Welcome students. Now today we are going to discuss the topic refraction of light. Refraction of light. Before we discussing the refraction of light, first you know the speed of light in different medium. Actually, the speed of light in different medium is different. As for example, the speed of light in air or free space or vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So here we observe that the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the maximum speed of light. But in glass it is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So as the ray of light that enters from air to water or air to glass, then path of the ray of light changes, because speed of light in different medium is different, and this phenomenon is known as refraction of light. So what is refraction of light? A phenomenon of bending of ray of light when it passes from one medium to another obliquely is called refraction of light. So how we define this term? The phenomenon of changing of ray of light, bending of ray of light, or when it enters from one optical medium to another optical medium obliquely. Now there are two cases in the refraction of light. Suppose this is a glass slab. Here air, glass and air. This is the first refracting surface of the glass and this is the second refracting surface of the glass, and both the refracting surface are opposite and parallel. So when a ray of light that falls normal or perpendicular to the surface of the glass slab, then no refraction of light takes place. When a ray of light that falls perpendicular to the surface of rectangular glass slab, then no reflection of light takes place. In this case, angle I, that is angle of incidence, equal to angle of refraction is equal to 0 degree. Another case, light, this is a glass slab. Now suppose this is A, B, C, D is the rectangular glass slab. AB and CD are parallel and opposite. We draw the first one normal and 1. Now any incident ray, that is PO, this is the incident ray. Here air, this is glass and air. So as the ray of light OPO that enters from air to glass, the speed of light is decreases, because the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in air and 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in glass. So speed of light decreases, that's why the ray of light bends towards the normal. Here we draw the one perpendicular line, which is also another normal and 2. Suppose this point is Q. Now when the ray of light that passes from glass to air, speed of light increases, so it bends away from the normal. Suppose this is in this figure, OP is the incident ray, OQ is the refracted ray, and QR is the emergent ray. The angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. Angle between normal and refracted ray is called angle of refraction. These N1, normal and N2 are parallel, and this is the transversal line. So this R angle is equal to this angle. And the angle of incidence, that is angle which is formed between normal and emergent ray, is called angle of emergence. So in this case, the ray of light that falls obliquely on the first surface of the glass slab. So these two examples which explain the refraction of light. Why refraction of light takes place? Because the speed of light in different medium is different. Thank you.